The diagram shows a quadrilateral. It's a four-sided shape with angles measured in degrees of 5x plus 40, 2x plus 20, 2x and 3x. And then it says form an equation in x and solve it. So we're trying to find out basically the value of x. Now what do we know about the angles in a quadrilateral? Yes, they add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so we can form an equation using our fact. The sum of the four internal angles adds up to 360. So let's write that down. We got 5x plus 40 plus 2x plus 20 plus 2x plus 3x equals 360. And that's going to gain you a mark because you have formed an equation with an equal sign. Now, we can make this easier, before we solve it, we can make this easier by collecting together the things which are the same. So we've got 5x plus 2x is 7. And another 2 is 9x, plus another 3 gives us 12x. So 12x, we've collected our x's together, and we collect our number terms together also. So what's 40 plus 20 is 60. 12x plus 60 gives us 360. Something plus 60 is 360. Well, that has to be 300. Because 300 plus 60 is 360. 12 times something is 300. Now I just know that the answer to that is 25. But if you didn't know that, how could you work it out? Well, if you've got 12 lots of something is 300, how could I find one lot of something? Simply divide by 12. Okay. We can cancel this fraction down. 300 divided by 12. What could I do? I could divide by 3 because 3 fits into there and 3 fits into there. How many 3's are in 300? 100. How many 3's are in 12? 4. What could I do then? 100 divided by 4 is 25. But if you still couldn't see that, you'd have 50 divided by 2, which is again 25, or 25 over 1. Right, so if you can't instantly work it out, then you have to divide and use your knowledge of fractions to help you. Oh, shall we have a look at this one? So here we've got another example. This one this time though is a triangle. Now, again, it gives you the degrees of each of the angles in terms of x, and it asks you to form an equation. So we'll have 5x plus 3x plus 2x is equal to something. So what do the angles add up to in a triangle? Yes, that's 180. Simplify this. This one's much easier than the last one, isn't it? So we'll have 10x is equal to 180. 10 times something is 180. 10 times what is 180? It must be 18.